Hi, my dear friends. This is Brisky here. Let us travel to the Wonder Island and help the toy train driver to solve his problems.
Hello and welcome to Wonder Island, where everything's fun and everyone's happy. I'm Tofu, the new engine driver, and I'm here to take my passengers where they want to go. Sometimes, when there are problems, I get really worried and I may need your help as I go along. Come with me on this trip. I'm slightly confused. I need to go to the right side first. I can't go to the zoo yet as it isn't open yet. Can you read the map and find out where else I can go first? Let's all think hard. That's great. I need to go to the boating area. It's the place marked with the small boat symbol on the map. I need not stop at the forest now. Our next destination is the library. But before that, I have to post a letter from my manager before 12 o'clock today. Should I go to the post office first? Or should I go to the library first? Can you discuss it with your friend and help me solve this problem? Wow, you are right. I should go to the post office first. You are really good at solving problems. Both the post office and library are done. What's next? My train's passengers are hungry. Can you find a restaurant? Good. There are 2 restaurants here. But I have a problem. One serves vegetarian food and the other serves non-vegetarian food. Which restaurant should I ask my passengers to go to? Remember, the vegetarians prefer to eat at the veg restaurant, while the non-vegetarians would like to have some for lunch. Discuss your friends and let me know how to solve this problem. Excellent idea. People who are vegetarian can eat at the veg restaurant. The others can go to the non-vegetarian restaurant to eat fish for lunch. They all then meet back at the train. Oh, looks like the fish agree with some people. They need a doctor. The rest of the passengers are taken to the swimming pool. Oh, looks like the track is under repair. I need to take a different route. I need to get the sick passengers to a doctor just for a swim. But what should I do first? Which route should I take for that? That's right. I should first take the sick people to the hospital as it's an emergency. I should take this path. The sick passengers are getting treated. The rest are swimming happily. After a nice swim, the passengers are thirsty. Do you see any place where I can get drinking water? That's right. That's the symbol for drinking water. Let's go. Here we are. But wait, this is not where the drinking water is. This is the toilet. The symbol is wrong. This is the spot where the drinking water is. we need to put the symbol in the right place on the map, like this. But we still need a symbol for the toilet. Do you know what that symbol looks like? Discuss it with your friend and draw it in your notebook. Did you get it right? This is what the symbol for a toilet looks like. We have many animal lovers on the train. They want to go to the forest. But now they do not have permission to enter the forest. Where else can I take them to see animals? Help me solve this problem, please. Good. I can take them to the zoo. Thanks for all your help. I've dropped off all my passengers. Today, I learned from you that when we have a problem, if we think through carefully, we can find a solution for it. Also, that I need to improve my map reading skills.
See you next time.